All right, guys, it is May the 15th, 2020. I'm just going to give you an update here on some of the aftershocks now. I'm going to put the Nevada Earthquake Center into the links in the description box for you. Guys, I've got over 100, and that's not including YouTube, 2.0s and lower. There are other earthquakes that happened. I will get that to you as soon as possible. USGS is posting these, and then they're reposting these and changing the depth. So remember, all earthquakes are subject to change by individual earthquake centers. If EMSC and USGS disagree, you will get both. But so far, every time USGS posts, EMSC posts the same thing. If USGS downgrades, EMSC downgrades, okay? So let me get you what I got. When I reported the 6.4 and then they upgraded it, they had a 5.4 Tonopah, Tonopah at 6 miles in depth. They did downgrade that to a 4.9. They had another 5.4. They downgraded that to a 5.1 at 4 miles in depth. Okay. There was a 4.3 California-Nevada border region. They've got it 43 miles southeast of Hawthorne, Nevada. They've got that at 8 miles in depth. The 3.5 Nevada. They've got that at 30 miles northwest of Topana, Tonopah at 3 miles in depth. A 3.6, same location, 33 miles west-northwest Topana at 6 miles in depth. A 3.0 Nevada, 22 miles southwest of Warm Springs at 1 mile in depth. A 3.0 California-Nevada border region, but they still have it 11 miles south of Topana at 7 miles in depth. Hey, under the Oaks, they put up a 3.3 Nevada, 39 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 1 mile in depth. A 3.2 Nevada, 34 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 9 miles in depth. The 4.2 Nevada, 31 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 3 miles in depth. The 3.2 Nevada, 29 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 0 miles in depth. A 3.3 California-Nevada border region, 40 miles southeast of Hawthorne at 0 miles in depth. The 3.7 Nevada, they've got it. How are you doing, sweetie? They've got it 31 miles northwest of Topeka at 6 miles in depth. A 3.1 Nevada, 35 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 0 miles in depth. A 3.1 California-Nevada border region, 41 miles southeast of Hawthorne. They've also got that at 0 miles in depth. 3.4 Nevada, 36 miles west of Topeka at 16 miles in depth. A 4.5 30 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 4 miles in depth. A 4.8 37 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 4 miles in depth. A 3.1 35 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 8 miles in depth. A 3.0 California-Nevada border region. They've got 18 miles northwest of Hawthorne at 9 miles in depth. A 3.6 Nevada, 41 miles west-northwest of Topeka at 5 miles in depth. A 4.6 California-Nevada border region. They've got it 38 miles southeast of Hawthorne at 5 miles in depth. A 4.3 California-Nevada border region, 41 miles west of Topeka at 3 miles in depth. Guys, this is just a drop in the bucket of what's going on. This is not, I repeat, not all of them. They're still coming across. At the end of this description box, there will be a link for the Nevada Earthquake Center. Please follow there. I'm having a hard time keeping up. Every time USGS puts an earthquake up, they downgrade it. They do not keep it at what they said they are. I have gone through 7 pages of paper trying to get these earthquakes for you. Like I said, now at the beginning, when I did the first earthquake of the 6.4, which they upgraded to a 6.5 Nevada, they had a 5.4 aftershock. They did downgrade that, see what I mean, to a 4.9. They also had a 5.4 aftershock again, which they downgraded it to a 5.1. All these are going in. They're being downgraded at the drop of a hat. I can't keep up with all of these, all right? Now, I did post the Nevada Earthquake Center in there. Please check that out. All right, now, so far since this report, let me copy these. Wow. Hey, sweetie pie. I love you too. You're a good boy. Since I posted these, I'm going to USGS and EMSC again. We're opening them up. They've had a 2.8, a 2.8, a 2.5, a 3.0, a 2.4, a 2.8, a 2.2, 4.8, a 2.5, a 3.0. Guys, they're happening fast, just that fast. And then a 3.2, that's 35 minutes ago. A 3.0, 30 minutes ago. A 3.1, 39 minutes ago. And a 2.8, 41 minutes ago. I started with the ones they changed and went to the 4.3. Those are just the ones that have come in that I have not copied down. Now, yes, there have been other earthquakes going on. I will get those to you as soon as possible. I've been trying to track all the aftershocks for you. Please be safe out there, all right? It's just going off like crazy. It is a mess of earthquakes. Let me pull up the little map I am using now because the other map is not posting them all. All right? Just letting you know they're not posting them all. All right, so I'm going to go down over to Nevada. And we're going to show you these. Guys, that's what's going on in Nevada. I don't know if you can see all of them. Those are all the earthquakes going on, and they're still coming in. All right, I would not joke you. These are all the aftershocks of the 6.5 that occurred in Nevada 2 hours ago, 2.5 hours ago. All right, there is a lot of them. They're going off all over the place. Some of them are not being reported. All right. Anyway, that's what I got. Let me copy these links now, put them into YouTube for you. I will, excuse me, got something in my eye. I will leave the Nevada earthquake link at the bottom of this so you guys can go check them all out for yourselves. All right, we're going to YouTube now. We're going to post. Yes, definitely praying for Nevada. It is immense amount of earthquakes. And some of them, they are not reporting. That's why I'm giving you the Nevada earthquake link, okay? Edit. And it is at the very bottom in the description box. All right, so now we're going to post. Save. Now I'll go get your regular earthquake report with the rest of the world's earthquakes. Give me a few minutes and let me have a cup of coffee. All right, edit. We're going to save this and put it into community. Please remember, all earthquakes are subject to change by individual earthquake centers. Well, we know which individual they're going to change it. EMSC is trying their best to keep up with USGS upgrades and downgrades. All right? So now posted in the community as well. You can go at both links and look. And like I said, this is not all of them. They have 2.8, 2.0s, 2.4s, 2.1s. All right, they're all over the place. All right, let me go ahead and get going, have a cup of coffee, and I will be back with the normal morning earthquake report with earthquakes from around the world. God bless everyone. Please be safe out there. Sending you guys much love. 2 thumbs up. Under the Oaks, thank you for coming in, sweetie. I appreciate the little blue symbol there for you to help me keep this place clean and free of trolls. You have yourself a great one, guys. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You're more than welcome, sweetie. Thank you.